Well, especially nowadays, when it comes to lawsuits, social media can literally ruin or make your case. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to explain.
Jim, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to talk about the importance of social media in today's cases. In fact, you were telling me that you don't have a case where you don't look at the social media of the other party these days.
No, it's a game changer. You know, it's funny, when I first started doing kind of high-end injury cases and stuff, it was not uncommon to have private investigators, and they still do. But now, you just don't even need them. I mean, every case we have, and I'm sure the other side does this if they're a good caliber law firm, I look at that person's Facebook page that I'm litigating against. I look to see if they have any tweets. I look to see Instagrams, anything you can, because people reveal so much online nowadays that it's, and I've had them talk about accidents. I've had them talk about their injuries. I've had them seen what they were doing that night if they were out before an accident happened. It is just all out there.
Such an easy resource to look at as an attorney,
It is.
too. So let's talk about something that recently happened that's actually been in the news quite a bit, that shows the importance of social media in those cases.
Yeah, I think that's a great example, and that's what we were talking about, is this man who pushed over this 1,000-year-old rock formation and put it up on YouTube, this huge boulder. And of course, after he puts that up, he comes to find out that he had filed an injury suit a week before. And obviously doesn't look too injured if he's pushing over a boulder like that.
Not a good move.
No.
Not a good move. So do you see anything like this?
You know, I have a little, okay? Nothing to that extreme. And if that would have been my case, I would be off of that case. You know, a client, that's not a case that we want our firm attached to, something like that, because it's not fair to our other clients either. But no, you know, I have had people do things innocent that have been tried to use against them. You know, if somebody says, hey, you're at your grandmother's birthday party, and everybody says, smile for the camera, and you're gonna smile, no matter whether you hurt or not. People post nice, friendly things on there, and I've had other lawyers try to use that against people, even when it's fairly innocent.
Right. And I know you've got a few tips for injury clients about social media. Let's run through those real quick.
Well, first is don't do it. Stop it. And I always tell people, just don't use your social media. They never listen to me. They're always going to. So then I go to the next step of, you know what, use it less. And whatever you're doing, just be honest about things and be forthright, and you assume everybody's looking at it. And so you should also check your privacy settings. You know, you may just want your family to be involved in your life, or your close friends. And one of the more important ones we'd say is, don't talk to strangers, just like I tell my kids. So if you get a friend request from somebody you don't know who they are, there's a good chance that's the other side snooping into your business. So don't talk to them.
Right. Only people you know.
That's right.
Jim, thanks so much.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930 or check them out at higginsfirm.com.